Oh, you're going to hold it for me. Thank you very much for holding it for me. Well, it's a pleasure to be here outside Charing Cross Hospital on this wonderful sunny day. And the reason I know about Charing Cross Hospital is because your campaign and the campaigning of your local Labour candidate Andy Slaughter and your other local Labour candidate from the neighbouring constituency, Ruth Cadbury, have been taking this campaign to the very top in the House of Commons on behalf of the people who live in this part of London, saying that we need to keep Charing Cross Hospital. And one of the very first announcements I made in this general election campaign as Labour Shadow Health Secretary was to say about the SDP plans across the country that we will halt them, we will review them, and that local people will be involved in the decisions about the future of healthcare provision, because people need to have their voice heard, and we need to ensure they're providing the very best quality of healthcare for everybody across the country. And not only does that involve halting the SDPs and having a moratorium on them, it also involves giving all the staff who work in the NHS a fair pay rise. It also involves ending the privatisation agenda in the NHS. Yes! And it also involves putting into the NHS the biggest level of investment it will have seen for many years, an extra £37 billion for the NHS. Yes! But we can only do that for the NHS if people go and do something very simple for us in 8 to 9 days' time. We need everybody in this community, everybody in this constituency, next Thursday to go and vote for the NHS. Yeah! And those of you involved in the campaign to save the hospital here, I'm asking you just to spend a little bit of time not only campaigning for the hospital, but campaigning for the Labour Party and Andy Slaughter and Ruth Cadbury and Rupert Hook and all the Labour candidates in the next few days. And ask yourself this: is there one more door you can knock on for Andy and Ruth? Is there one more leaflet you can deliver for Andy and Ruth and Rupert? Is there one more phone call you can make? Because this election is going to go to the wire. But with your help, with your support, with your campaigning, with your commitment, with your passion, we can get a Labour government and kick out the Tories who are privatising the NHS.
Thank you very much, Jonathan.